Hello and welcome to our video on how to use the bathroom. I'd like to start by saying that the fact this video exists at all is a disgrace to humanity. Nobody should need to be taught this stuff, but apparently some people do. So here we go. Try to keep up. This is a toilet. All of the bad things in your body should be put into here, not into this part, into this part. You should use this special paper after the bad things have left you. It should then be placed into the toilet bowl. It does not go on the floor, in a trash can, on the ceiling, on your shoe. How does that even happen? If you run out of the special paper, just scream continuously until someone comes to help. Or you can look for more of it. I found some!